MCQ examination of CBSE for informative practices. We are going to have more set of questions now based on series and data frames. This is number one. Now we have to select the statement, appropriate statement to delete the row. As we can see that in the above question, we have A, B, C, D, and E. A is not coming at this place. So I have to delete the first record. The first record index starts from 0. It is not starting from 1. So this goes wrong. The first index is starting from 0, but at all other places now we have 0. So this created confusion for us. Let us recall that we have to delete a row. But there's nothing like delete. We have something called as drop. Yes. So the answer is number B. Second question, we have to delete an item with the index 1. We have to delete an item with the index 1 so that the output should not have that particular item. So we have to make use of the drop function. The drop function is available at these two places, option number A and B. So the index number 1 is clearly mentioned. So the correct answer is option A. Let's see the next question, question number 3. The third question says that we have to, above code will print 20 how many times? So to select how many times 20 will be printed. This 20. Let us count the total number of times index is having value 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 times when we have a possibility to print this 20 as an output. Let's see the next question now. We have a data frame this time. A data frame option is to be selected. Now the expected output is coming like this. It means yes, it's actually a database where we have column. The first column which is labeled as 0. So in the data frames, D and F is capital. The last one goes wrong. Let's talk about these three. We have a data frame where I have to make use of this list. So this goes wrong. List is not being used. List is being used in the form of a list, although data frame is a function. So C is the correct one. Let's go next. Number 5. Use above list with the index over here to fill the blank for data frame. See, parentheses are not being given. And we have to select the best possible alternative where the parenthesis is being used. So what is that place where the parenthesis is being used? Let's first of all strike off the wrong one, the clear cut. Let's see the problem in A. We do not have codes. Let's see the problem in D. We are not making use of bracket properly. Just see. So the option available to us is, yes, right, C. Let's see question number 6. You have to specific column name. You have to specify the name of the column. B. What are we going to do is that the data frame is being created with values like red, green, blue, and yellow. Here we do have R, G, B, and Y are the indexes. The name of the column is color, C-O-L-O-R-S, with colors C as capital. But right now, as we can see that at all the places we have color C as capital. Striking off the wrong one, let's see. There is no bracket. Trying to make tuple, not possible. Color is not being used as the name of a variable or the name of a column, which should be in quotes. So the option available to us is, yes, option number C. Next question. Creating a data frame with the dictionary given there. We should have a semicolon at this place. Now we have to work with specific column, means as an output, if it is given that we have two columns like roll number and marks, so at this place we must have roll number and marks. At all the places now we have roll number and marks. Let us strike off the options which are possibly wrong. At the time when we are going to do this, the roll number and marks columns names are not given in quotes. We do not have anything like calls. So once again, the easy one, that is option number A. Elimination process do works many a times. We have to add a new column in this question by the name age. Age is being used at all the places. Now at this place, at a time when I'm adding a column, I cannot add with the data type like tuple. At the time when I'm adding values, so I have only three values, I suppose. Let us count. We have three roll numbers, we have three names, so we cannot have four age values. Now, if we talk about the correct possibility of this, we do not have anything like column name because this is not an object. So the correct possibility was option number C in this question. Second last question in the same row, we have to add a new column age using LOC. LOC and ILOCs. So at all the places we have LOC now. If we talk about the first one, we are using comma, means instead of column, we are trying to access row. Here there is no comma. Let's check the answer. Answer number C, because it is making proper use of LOC as a function with parenthesis. The last question in this video, we have a dictionary by the name DIC. Dictionary is having column like EMP number, name, and salary. In continuation, we have index. Dictionary is being made. Data frame is being created, printed before and after deletion. Now, how to delete a specific column? If I have to remove this column name, now there are four different possibilities given to us. There is nothing like delete. Del is not a function. The name of the variable should be in quotes. So here goes option number A. So we have to keep all the tricks in mind at the time of solving these MCQ papers so that we can actually have 100% marks in the upcoming examination. Hope you all liked it.